Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Daniel Ismail and we're here, Langdon Hills Property Tour. And today I'm here to show you a stunning detached family home located in Berry Lane that has an integral garage, off-street parking for multiple vehicles, 5 bedrooms, 2 en-suites and many more amazing features. Why don't we take a look inside? Wow, how stunning is this beautiful family home? Covering over 2,000 square foot and moments away from the train station. If you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, please do not hesitate to get in contact with me, and I love nothing more showing you around this beautiful family home.